Good morning everybody, this is Divya of Tribly student. Here we are going to discuss about flip-flop conversion. Okay, flip-flop conversion. Okay, flip-flop conversion. Next, in other words, it is also known as, okay, this flip-flop conversion is also known as latch conversion. Okay, in other words, it is also known as latch conversion. Okay, in other words, it is also known as latch conversion. There are so many types of flip-flop conversions, but we are going to discuss about one type. Okay, in one type there should be conversion should be J to SR conversion. Okay, J to SR conversion, and second one JK to D conversion. Okay, in these two conversions means the source is only one, but the destinations are different. So in this we are going to discuss about two. Okay, means JK to SR conversion and JK to D conversion. First one, JK to SR conversion. Okay, we are going to discuss here about JK to SR conversion. Here SR is source. Okay, I told now here SR is the source. Okay, next JK is destination. Here SR is the destination. Okay, JK is the source. Means SRs are the inputs and JK are the outputs. From these inputs we are going to get the JK values and logic circuits. Okay, maps. Now first we draw the excitation table. Okay, from these excitation table we going to learn the JK values. So first draw the excitation table. Okay, first you draw the excitation table. In this way you have to draw. Okay, next Q of n plus 1 JK. Okay, here these are the values we have to present in the excitation table. Q of n plus 1 JK. Here Q of n and Q of n plus. Q of n are our present outputs. Okay, I told now here Q of n are the present outputs and Q of n plus 1 are the our upcoming outputs. Means we are whatever we are going to learn and what are the values we are going to get, that values we should be Q of n plus 1. And from these excitation table we going to get the outputs here. We're going to get the outputs here. Okay, let's start Q of n. Q of n take 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Here JK value 0 0 means 0 and don't care. Here don't care. Here 1 and don't care. Here 1 0 don't care and 1. Okay, don't care and 1. Here don't care and 0. Okay, this is the excitation table. It was completed. Now we'll go for the here one table will be the long table, and it is the combination. Okay, it is the combination of truth table and excitation table. Means it should be the combination of truth table and excitation table. Okay, here the S R. Okay, here I told na S and R, and here the Q of n, and here the Q of n plus 1, and here the J, and here the K. Okay, these values we are going to learn in this, and I told now these here too. Okay, here too Q of n plus 1 is the truth table. Okay, this is the truth table. Okay, this is the truth table, and Q of n to Q of this one is the excitation table. Okay, this one is the excitation table. Okay, this one is the excitation table. Next you see here SR S values 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, completed. You see here 2 zeros 2 ones, 2 zeros 2 ones. Next you go 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. You divide, means you divide this in this way. Means if you divide in this way you get answer in easy way. So you can find the answer in a perfect manner. Means there is no what we say that no confusion. It will be a very good manner. So you see here take okay, this has completed. So here was completed, and you see a Q of n. 2 zeros are there. I told now here 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros means therefore Q of n plus 1 is 0 and 1. You see here 2 zeros are there. So 0 and 1s are there. So 0 and 1s means 0 0. You see here 1 and 0s are there. So 1 1. Here 4 1s are there. 4 1s means it is not in a proper statement. I told now it is not in a proper statement. So if it is not in a proper statement, we take a don't care. Okay, it is in not proper statement, so we are taking don't care. We are not using 0 and 1, that binary codes here we are not using. Next we go for the JK values. So JK values will come from the excitation table. Okay, these values will get from the excitation table. So JK values means here you see Q of n and Q of n plus 1 0 0. So 0 0 means 0 don't care, and 1 1 1 1 means don't care 0. I told now 1 1 means 0 and don't care. 0 0 0 0 means 0 don't care, and 1 0 1 0 means don't care and 1 0 1 1 and don't care 1 1 don't care and 0 0. So here we told now here total the don't cares are there, so we should take here JK values also don't care. So our JK values and our table is completed. Next we go for the equations. Okay, okay, next we go for the equations. Next we go for the equations. Okay, let's we go for the equations. So here take equations. Okay, equations to find, okay, equations to find K maps. Okay, here equations to find K maps are sum of m. Okay, JK equals to sum of m place 4. Next you will take here sum of D 0 3 0 3 5 6 and 7. Next K equals to sum of 3 plus ED of 0, 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, next these equations will take on the basis of POS, on the basis of POS. So here you don't know how it will get. Now here fourth place will get. Okay, here you see here this first stage we should not consider. Okay, this first stage we should not consider. So second stage you see from this here to we have to count. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here the fourth place 1 is there, here the third place 1 is there. So in this way you have taking and do the equations. Okay, these equations we do and we'll get the K maps easily. So first we draw the K maps. Okay, K maps you have to draw. Here K maps are okay, to here the K map will be 3 variable. Okay, 3 variable K map will be present here. 1 2 3 4. Okay, you take here. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, 0 and 1. Okay, RQ S. Okay, here this is the fourth place and this is the okay 5 6 7. Okay, first third 5 6 7. Okay, third fifth sorry. Okay, I'll see here third. Okay, third here fifth sixth seventh. Okay. Okay, third, fifth, sixth, seventh here it will be. Next you take the another K map. So here this is the pair. Okay, you take. So J equals to S. Next you take here another. Okay, another K map for K. Okay, here also 0 0 1 0 1. Sorry, 0 1 1 1. Okay, 1 1 1 0. Okay, 0 1 S RQ. Okay, I also told here S RQ now. S RQ. So here we'll get third place 1. So this is the third place and this is the first place and this is the fourth place and this is the fifth place and this is the sixth place and this is the seventh place. This is the pair. So we'll get K equals to R. Okay, next you go for the logic circuit. Okay, logic circuit will go take here logic circuit. Okay, this is the circuit box. So JK Q of n bar. I told here Q of n bars. So Q of n and Q of n bars are the outputs and this is the present output and this is the upcoming output and these are the, so we are giving in S and R are the inputs here. So this is the logic circuit. Okay, up to here we completed the we completed the JK to SR conversion. In this we have logic circuit as we had drawn from by excitation table, and from the combination of truth table and excitation table we got the K map, the equations. From that equations we find the K maps, and from these K maps we find the logic circuit. Okay, complete. Next second one, JK to D flip-flop. Okay, JK to D flip-flop conversion. Okay, JK to D flip-flop conversion. Here D is destination and okay, JK is source. Okay, jk is the source, means here d is the input and jk are the values which we want to get the logic circuit of the jk d flip-flop conversion. Next you will draw the truth table. Okay, and take truth table here. D q of n and q of n plus 1, 0 1 and these and 0 1. Okay, this is the truth table. Next we go for the excitation table. Draw the excitation table. q of n plus 1, jk. So 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0, don't care, 1 don't care 1 don't care 0. Okay, 0 don't care 0. So this excitation table will be completed. Next we go for the combination of truth table and excitation table. Draw. So here you see D q of n plus 1. Okay, q of n plus 1, j and k. This is the table here. So first you take the take here 0 0 1 1. Okay, 0 1 0 1 and 0 0 1 1. I told now here this like you divided, so 2 0, so 2 1. Okay, 1 0 1. Okay, 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, it has completed. Okay, next we go, you see here from the excitation table. We learn the jk values table. 0 don't care 1 1 don't care आगे. Okay, jk values are completed. So this is the combination of, I told now, this is the combination of truth table and this is the combination of excitation. So it is a combination of truth table and excitation table. From this table we draw the k-maps now. We go on to draw the k-maps. There are two k-maps. Okay, 2 k-maps will be present here. 2 k-maps will be present here. Okay, 2 k-maps will be present. Okay, present here. So first k-map. Okay, first k-maps is D q of n. Okay, q of n. This is the 2 variable k-map. Okay, 2 variable 1 2 3 4. 2 variable k-map 0 1 0 1. Okay, variable. So you see here in the third place. Okay, in the third place here 1 is there. So in the third place, so here you draw 1. Okay, third place 1 is there and here don't care. Next here you see D q of n. Here second place 1 is there. So this is the second place. Next don't care 0 1 0 1. So here this is the combination. Here this is the combination. So here j equals to D, j equals to D bar. Okay, j equals to D bar. Okay, j equals to D bar. So k-maps is completed. Now go for draw the logic circuit. Okay, this is the logic circuit. J k q of n bar. Here you see this is the D is the input and this is the gate. Okay, this is the gate and you here it will be the clock, means it is just for the diagram only. It is not there is no proper reason for keeping this. It is just for the diagram. So here D flip flop, I told you D is the destination, jk is the source, and we have to draw the truth table. Then we go for the excitation table and we have to draw the one big table which is the combination of truth table and excitation table. From this we will get the k-maps and after coming the k-maps we will get the logic circuit. Okay, next here jk to SR flip-flop and jk to D flip-flop. In these conversions that D and jk are reverse, means these two are in reverse combination, means these two will be in the reverse of their truth table and excitation table will be reversed. So that these are very easy to learn, and thanks for watching this. Thank you all. Here one more is there, jk to T flip-flop conversion. jk to T flip-flop conversion. Okay, jk to T flip-flop conversion. So here jk is source and T is destination. Okay, T is destination. Okay, T is destination. Okay, here T is toggle. So here T is called as a toggle. Now we go to the truth table. Okay, you see here truth table will be. So draw the truth table. T Q of n plus 1 T 0 1. You see here 0 means inactive. So 0 means inactive here. So 0 means inactive means, so it should be in a don't care. Next Q of n plus Q of n means present state only. Okay, next you see here 1 and x. Okay, 1 and x. Okay, next you see here this is active. Okay, active means this one toggle, one toggle, then Q of n bar, one toggle to Q of n, then here Q of n bar means this is the present state. So present state of Q on n bar. Okay, this is truth table is completed. Next truth table of T. Okay, this is truth table of T. Next excitation table of JK. Okay, here this is the excitation table of JK. Draw the excitation table. Q of n plus 1 JK. Here you take 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. You see here here we have to take that here we can take that 0 1. So you reverse, you take 1 0. Next don't care. This is the easy way logic in this. Next go to the next table, which is the combination of which is the combination of truth table, which is the combination of truth table and excitation table. Q of n plus 1 and J and K. Okay, Q of n plus 1 JK. Take here 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Next 0 1 0 1. Next you take it is the same. So this Q of n also same. 0 1 0 no 1 1 means 0. Okay, in this way you have to take K values or as this. By using the excitation table we can take these JK values. Okay, this will be completed. Next our combination here to here it is the truth table of T. Okay, this is truth table of T, and here to here this is the excitation. Okay, excitation table of JK. Okay, this table is complete. Now we will get 2 K maps here. We'll get 2 K maps. We'll get 2 K maps. Okay, here we will get 2 K maps. First JK map like this you take, and here this is 2 variable K map, Q of n and T 0 1 0 1. You see here 1 is in the third place. Here 1 is in the third place, so we have to take 1 in third place. Next the don't get 2 and fourth place. Okay, so here J equals to T. Next you take K map for K, 2 variable map for K. So here T, here Q of n 0 1 0 1. So here you see here 1 is in fourth place. You take 1 is in fourth place. Okay, 1 is in fourth place. Next here second and first place, and this is the okay. So here K equals to T. Okay, both are T only, but we have to join them. Next we go for the logic circuit. Okay, logic circuit. We go for the logic circuit. Draw the logic circuit here. J, K, Q of n bar. So here T is the input here. We joined J and K because there will be a connection should be in J and K. As per this K maps, we joined T and K. So as per this K maps only we joined this to T and K. So the combination of JK. So means this is the input of both J and K. Okay, this is the logic circuit. Okay friends, thank you for watching, and this is about the flip-flop conversion of JK to SR, D and T. Here D is the transient and T is the toggle. Okay, thank you students.